Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Pinterest white screen. Experiencing a white screen on Pinterest can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to try and fix it. First, refresh the page. Sometimes a simple refresh can resolve the issue, or you could also try clearing the cache and the data. In order to do that, press the Pinterest app like this, select app information, go to the storage and cache, and in the bottom here you can see clear storage and clear cache option. Simply just tap on that. Or you could also try updating your Pinterest app. Go to your Play Store and look out for the Pinterest app and open it, and make sure you are using the latest version of your Pinterest app. Outdated version can sometimes cause compatibility issues with websites as well. Also try checking your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. A poor connection can lead in incomplete page loads or white screens. Also try restarting your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary issues. This is all guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to fix Pinterest white screen. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.